friends, and welcome to another Bikini Beach walking tour here in beautiful local island of Dhonfanu.
Located in Ba Atoll, and this island is special because it is the closest island to Dhonfanu Bay. It is literally just 2-minute speedboat ride from Dhonfanu Bay, or maybe even less.
And look how pristine the beach and the colors of the water here is. Absolutely amazing. We stayed on this island for about 2 to 3 days, and we actually had a good time. So as far as the Bikini Beach goes, it starts where you see these sticks and it doesn't go for too far. Again, this is a very small Bikini Beach area.
And this Bikini Beach actually at the time of our filming has not been prepared fully as yet, because this island has only one guest house dedicated for diving actually, so the beach has not been the priority. But the owner of the guest house by now is probably already cleared out the grass or the greenery on the sand itself for the Bikini Beach, and prepared it for guests. And Dhonfanu Island is really not known for just swimming or tanning, because as you can see, the dark area right next to the shore is actually seagrass. But right now, in all fairness, it is low tide as well, so the swimming area is even less accessible. You've seen our informative Maldives video tours.
Instead of digging through hundreds of our videos, use our complete Maldives travel guide.
You'll find clear strategies to pick your island, what matters at private island resorts,
easy transfer tips, and real hotel discounts that beat any online booking sites. One download and you're done. While we were on this island, for the very first time, we went hunting for octopus.
And thanks to the seagrass, because if it wasn't for the seagrass, we would not be able to get any octopus. And we are pretty much at the end of the Bikini Beach already. You can see the few sticks on the right hand side right there. Again, the owner will put some type of drapery to divide the Bikini Beach, but yeah, that's it. It's literally not that many guests on the island anyway, so you will not need a big Bikini Beach regardless.
And as far as the snorkeling goes, it's really cool because on this island particularly, there's a car.
Sunken car.
Sunken, and you can go and snorkel to the car. I don't know really how deep it is. You do it.
I mean, maybe 5 meters or so. And not only the car, it is here you will find turtles. Lots of turtles. This is what this island is known for also. But and of course, if you are into diving, this is the best place to go for diving. And Dhonfanu Bay as well, because the access is the quickest. So as soon as they find any type of sightings of mantas, whale sharks, you'll be the first to get there. If you want to see the complete walking tour of Dhonfanu Island, we will leave the link in the description. Check it out. It is overall a lovely island and very small. I like small, cozy islands.
And of course, if you are coming to any of the Maldivian islands, local, we got you covered with travel guides for most of the popular islands. You can check it out at MaldivesOnABudget.net.
Coming up next, we have some aerial shots for you, so you get to see what this island looks like from bird's eye view.
Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, we'll see you in the next one.